Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Borderlands 4 game crashing, not launching, not loading, stuck on black screen, lagging freezing or other issues on PS5. So let's go through it. So the first method is to restart PlayStation. So one of the best way to fix the issue is by restarting the PS5 first. So it will resolve the temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. So you just need to open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. After that select power button and then select restart PS5 option. So once done, now check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, move to the next solution. Next is to rebuild database. For that, first switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless two beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller via USB cable and then select rebuild database. After doing this, check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to check storage space on console. For that, first go to PS5 settings and then move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. After that, check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. So after this, check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, first go to settings, then network, then settings, then set up network connection. Here click on options. After under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next solution is to change language on console. So for that, first open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is fixed or not. Next method is to check for game update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game, then press options button. After that, select check for update option. If any update is available, click on update and follow the instructions as guided. After this, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next solution is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings on your PS5, then user and accounts, then move down to others on left panel. Now select restore licenses. After that, select your game, then click on restore and finally confirm by selecting yes. So after restoring licenses, now check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, next is to check HDMI connection. So you should check whether the HDMI cable is properly connected or not on your PS5. If there is any problem on the cable, then change it and use another one to get rid of the issue. Next method is to check PS5 overheating. Make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it, as this will help you to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to sign out and sign in to PS5. For that, first go to settings, then click on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it's resolved or not. If not, next method is to install software updates on PS5. So for that, first open settings on your PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then system software update and settings. After that, select update system software if any update is available, and finally select update option using internet. So once the software update is over, now try to launch the game and see if it's working on PS5 or not. If not, next solution is to delete game's save file. So for that, first open settings on your PS5 menu. Now select saved data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage and finally select Borderlands 4 game. After this, check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to reset your console settings. For that, first launch settings on your PS5 and move to system. Now select reset options under system software. Here select reset default settings and at last choose restore option. So after this, check if it helps. Next solution is to reinstall Borderlands 4 game. So for that, first highlight the game on your PS5 and then press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it, and finally restart your PS5 and install Borderlands 4 game once again, and then check if the issue is resolved or not. If not, final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. I have already provided the link in the description. Just go through it, explain the issue you are coming across, and hopefully the support team will help you to resolve the issue you are coming across. So all these are few solutions that will help you to fix Borderlands 4 game crashing, not launching, lagging, freezing, not loading issue on PS5. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.